The cryptocurrency markets are crashing, Celsius is falling down as an exchange, and everybody is panicking. What does this mean for Terra Luna and its price? Make sure to like on the video, hit the subscribe button too if you're new so you never miss a new video, and join our free Discord with the second link down in the description below. But other than that, let's get right into this video. Alrighty everybody, what's going on? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. We're talking about Terra Luna in today's specific video, but more specifically we're talking about some new developments that have been going on with the crypto crash that we are currently going through, as well as Celsius, which is a large, huge exchange that is currently undergoing a massive amount of controversy right now, as it has pretty much locked out its users of withdrawing their funds from any portion of their exchange, which is a huge red flag when it comes to large crypto exchanges, and a huge burden, of course, that is being placed on all of these customers and all these people who have potentially their life savings, with Celsius. This is very interesting stuff. This potentially is playing a role with the collapse of Terra Luna and potentially the potential recovery that everybody's been talking about over the last couple of weeks. We're going to get into all this in this article, so make sure you guys watch to the very end of this video, because we do have a little surprise for some of you at the very end. But let's talk about this now. So, is Celsius network collapsing like Terra Luna's? We know that Terra Luna's collapse was one that was, well, not really expected. It was one that really kind of came out of the blue, and more than often than not, the people who were involved in it got wrecked. There were very few people who could get their money out in time before, of course, UST got depegged, and we saw those massive dumps to the downside. Now, Luna is starting to kind of get ready to do some type of recovery move, whether that be a huge push towards the upside with new developments that are being made as far as the team's overall use case and what they're working on with Terra Luna, the fork that they are currently working on that's going to change a lot of the way that Terra Luna operates as a project, and a host of other features that I think will help them. But let's read a little bit about this article and see what they're talking about in relation to Terra Luna. So Celsius network token plunged nearly 40% overnight after the project locked away over $12 billion in crypto assets. Due to extreme market conditions, Celsius had paused all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. Experts note that Celsius network has consistently withdrawn from its DeFi positions to stake stablecoins and recover from the liquidity crisis. Celsius is a leading crypto lending platform and is suffering a liquidity crisis as the crypto market continues to plummet. The project has unstaked $247 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin from AAVE or AV and sent it to the FTX exchange. The consistent withdrawals from DeFi positions and restaking on protocols has raised red flags in the crypto community. Celsius halts withdrawals citing extreme market conditions. Celsius network announced on June 13th, 2022 that all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts have been paused. Celsius cited that this action as a step to put the project in a better position to honor its withdrawal obligations. This understandably upset a lot, and I mean a lot, of users. And I'm sure many of you out there at one point or other have heard of Celsius. Maybe you use Celsius, and maybe you're caught up in this actual crisis right now. Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys have money saved up with Celsius? Are you earning interest on some of their staking offers? What are you doing with that brokerage, and how is it affecting you right now with what's going on with it? I'd love to know your overall thoughts and opinions. As far as what I think, this is something that I think is, again, it's only going to become more and more popular. And I said this when Terra Luna literally had crashed about a day prior to me making a video about it. I said this is not going to end. There is only going to be more of instances like this where large crypto networks are beginning to get capsized, especially when the market starts to take these large downturns like they are. And again, the more leverage that some of these overall companies are involved with, the more positions that they have that they cannot cover, it's going to only cause more and more turmoil, especially for a service like this that has millions, potentially billions of dollars under management as far as crypto assets go. That is extremely risky. And again, this is why, guys, we always encourage you guys every video, please, before you invest in any cryptocurrency project, a stock, or anything for that matter, any kind of financial instrument, do some research, read into the project, see what it's all about, see the upsides, the downsides, what it could potentially do in the future, what the people who hate it say, what the people who love it say. Look at all the different angles, because again, these types of things keep happening and more people keep getting burnt. It's not going to be a bull market forever, and in fact, we're probably more in a bear market now than we ever have been before with crypto. And I don't doubt that we're going to really recover from this anytime soon, especially with current economic conditions. That being said, that's my opinion, though. You could have a different one. But in my opinion, guys, Celsius is just another symptom of a larger problem with cryptocurrency projects like this. Now, you're probably wondering, but you said you like Terra Luna. What is this? You totally going back and backpedaling on? No. Here is what I am saying. I enjoy Terra Luna as a project. I think their recovery initiatives are good, and I think they're moving in the right direction. Do I agree with everything they did on the way up? Absolutely not. I think there were huge missteps that were taken that led to large price decreases in the overall price of Luna. I mean, we can even go to the chart right now and go take a look. Again, this type of chart is something that is shocking, just to say the least. As you can see here, the massive decrease in price, obviously all the way from 65 now down to $2 to $3 per, of course, coin. And if you look at LUNC, which is actually holding pretty strong over the last couple of days, surprisingly, it hasn't been too bad there either. But what I'm essentially saying about this is that I believe in the recovery of Luna. I don't believe in what they have done in the past. I think that unfortunately there were just massive amounts of missteps that were taken that could have been avoided very, very easily if the right precautions and just better things were put in place. Again, marketing is something that is an incredibly powerful tool if you are a business, but it's also incredibly destructive if you do it wrong, especially in the financial markets and especially with Luna in this case. I would love to know your thoughts, of course, in the comments below. I'm always open to an open discussion. If you're being, of course, nice. If you're rude, I'll probably just delete your comment. You know how it goes. But either way, guys, I want to recommend you join our second link down in the description below and join our private Discord. Go to the join premium section and get signed up with premium, guys. This is an amazing community of like-minded individuals all on the same path to financial freedom. We currently offer two different offerings right now. Again, the premium membership, which is $40 a month, you get access to all of our buy and sell signal alerts and a host of other features as well. And you're also offering a $199 one-time lifetime alerts option where instead of paying monthly, you pay once and never have to pay ever again. Once you get in the Discord with the second link down in the description below, hit the join premium channel right here. And then of course you guys can go to upgrade chat and get your role upgraded so you guys can get our daily buy and sell alerts. But other than that, guys, Celsius is crumbling right now and nobody is sure what's going to happen, whether they're going to reopen transactions, whether they won't. Again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I always love to know your overall thoughts and opinions about this. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.